So hello. So today we are going to install Google Play Store on your PC or laptop. So for the Google Play Store, you have to go to the Microsoft Edge, not Chrome, the Edge. Okay. Then you have to search for the Google Play Store. There it is. Then click on the link. It will open in a new tab. Then you can see I'm signed in, and you can now install any kind of app from there, but we have to install it as an app. So for this you have to go to the three dots in the top corner, click on it, and you will see apps here. So I don't have here. I will go to the more tools, and there you can see it is apps written here. And then you can go to the install this site as an app, click on it, and you'll see the pop-up, and there it is written installed. You can click on it, and after allowing everything, and pin to the taskbar, pin to the start, create desktop shortcut, and you will allow. Yes, would you like to pin to the taskbar? Yes, and it is now installed as an app in your PC, laptop. Now you can check. Yeah, it's opening. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Bye bye.